Once upon a time, in a galaxy far, far away, there lived a little green Jedi named Yoda. He was small, but he was wise. His big, bright eyes twinkled with kindness and his old, wrinkled face smiled warmly. Yoda lived in the Dagobah system, a swampy world filled with strange creatures and mysterious plants. He spent his days meditating, learning the ways of the Force, and helping the creatures of Dagobah. One day, a young boy named Luke Skywalker arrived on Dagobah. He was seeking a Jedi Master to teach him the ways of the Force. Yoda sensed his potential and agreed to train him. Luke was nervous at first. Yoda was unlike any teacher he had ever had. He spoke in riddles and made Luke do strange exercises. But Luke persevered, and with Yoda's guidance, he began to learn the Force. One day, Luke was practicing his lightsaber skills. He was getting better, but he still had a lot to learn. Yoda watched him, his old eyes filled with pride. "Luke," Yoda said, "you must unlearn what you have learned." Luke was confused. "What do you mean, Master?" "In the Force, there is no try. You either do, or you do not," Yoda explained. Luke thought about this for a moment. He realized that he had been trying too hard, and that he needed to have faith in himself and the Force. With renewed determination, Luke continued to train with Yoda. He learned to control his emotions, to focus his mind, and to use the Force to defeat his enemies. Finally, the day came when Luke was ready to face Darth Vader. Yoda sensed the danger and knew that he must accompany Luke. Together, they traveled to the Death Star. Luke fought bravely, but he was no match for Darth Vader. Yoda stepped in to save him, using all his strength to defeat the dark side. In the end, Luke was victorious. He had learned the ways of the Force and had become a true Jedi. Yoda was proud of his young apprentice and knew that he would continue to use the Force for good. And so, Yoda returned to Dagobah, content in the knowledge that he had helped to bring balance to the Force. He continued to meditate and help the creatures of Dagobah, always remembering the young boy who had come to him seeking wisdom. The end.